first time quantum computer is coming in India. That too, indigenous Indians are made quantum computer. That is the greatest occasion to witness that national media is here. Students, professors, scientists, startups, companies who are present in the hall, about 2.4 lakh students are witnessing virtually. I am very happy. The amount of interest, if you see, lot of interest for all of them. My greetings. Today is a special day. It is a World Quantum Day. It marks 100 years of quantum science. It is also a special day for all of us. Bharat Ratna, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti. On this day, I bow to Baba Saheb. He showed India that knowledge is the greatest instrument of empowerment and social progress. His life reminds us that education must open the doors of dignity, opportunity, and national transformation. It is also therefore fitting on this day we take a major step in expanding India's access to one of the most advanced frontier of human knowledge. From constitution to quantum. Today is a auspicious day for all of us. One is Ambedkar Jayanti. Second is Quantum Day. Same day, we are able to innovate indigenous technology of quantum. That is the greatest day for all of us.